my people, welcome back to my channel. We are doing the quick ones. As for those who are new, quick ones means the short videos. So today I'm doing how to use your shower gel. Basically, I don't have like a specific brand that I can say this is the specific brand I use. No, I try out different ones. Some are really good and some are really disappointing. But one thing I've learned is that most shower gels that are of this creamy nature are more effective than the ones that are of the light liquid nature. So I first take a shower with the bathing soap. I wash out the sweat, the dust and everything. I rinse myself. Then now I do a second bath with now the shower cream or the shower gel. It's so refreshing. Which brands have I tried out? I've tried out Hobby. Their other flavor that is wild berries is really nice. Their scent is really nice, by the way, and it's so affordable. I've tried Dove. I've tried Yenbu. I've tried Nivea. I've tried Fa. I've tried which one else? Which one have I not mentioned? I'm forgetting the name. I think it's called Radis or something. It starts with R. Yeah. So you can give it a try once more. Back to one. You take a shower with your bathing soap. You rinse yourself. Then you take the second shower, the refreshing shower now with your shower cream or your shower gel. Have a lovely weekend. I love you all. Mwah.